You're eating healthy stuff. We also need some unhealthy stuff, right? Sometimes. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing, in the morning my voice is a bit different, but I'll try my best. Good and Gather signature wood fire crust pizza, spinach and goat cheese.
With tomato sauce and topped in with sliced goat cheese, tomato and spinach.
Spinach. No artificial flavors or preservatives, made with real cheese. Product of Italy. Ingredients contains milk and wheat. The nutrition facts are on the back with the picture of tomatoes, spinach, cheese, and something else. Directions for cooking. This only has one way to cook it. And other than that, we're gonna open up the box. So this is what they mean by wrapper. The pizza is wrapped in a wrapper, right? And now, that's the part of the goat cheese. There's the spinach all around and the tomatoes are here. So now, let's open up the wrapper and I'll see you in the kitchen. So this is what the pizza looks like after it's been removed from the wrapper. There's the cheese, the tomato, and the spinach. So this is what the pizza looks like after it's been removed from the oven. The cheese looks like white pepperoni to me. So I'm gonna be eating one slice of the pizza. My father went ahead of himself and ate one slice already. He said the cheese has a strong goat cheese feeling, creamy as well. So in my opinion, well, about the history of the cheeses that are creamy, that I've tasted already long ago, I did not really like them because, you know, those cheesy, you know, the gooey stuff just spilling out. Hot potato. Hot potato. I'm not kidding. Hot potato. Is there a cooler pizza? Or yeah, right. They're all in the same oven. So let's go taste it. The cheese sticks to my teeth. So I have a wiggly tooth right now, and I can't really eat the pizza crust that easily. Anyways, but I'll try my best. It's pretty good actually than I thought it would be, and there's no meat, which makes it pretty healthy pizza. The AC is turning on, so if you hear that, I just said like cow. Anyways, I'm speaking closer to the microphone right now, so okay, so you won't really hear that much of the sound, but let's try it again. Tastes pretty good. This is not reviewed, so sorry, I might review it later. You're eating healthy stuff. We also need some unhealthy stuff, right? Sometimes. They're absolutely delicious. A bit crispier than the pizza, the wood chip. But this review is not about this. It's about this. All right? So don't think I'm reviewing this as well. This is this review. But anyways, side note, it is really delicious. Got my wiggly tooth. Anyways, here's the spinach. Spinach is normally not my favorite vegetable, but with this pizza, it looks like the Italian flag. Red, white, and green. So, real white. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on the brown table. And I'll see you guys in my other videos. Bye! Definitely try it.